So it's been very, very rainy in the UK lately, and I think quite a lot of people are feeling quite fed up with it. Getting a touch of SAD, the old seasonal affective disorder, and I think really we're just going to have to stoke the inner fires and sort of remain happy anyway. So this morning I wrote a very, very happy sounding tune on this treble recorder, which is Moeck Rottenburgh in rosewood, and I've called it The Happiness of Rain. Yeah, and I expect this tune would sound just as nice on the descant recorder, the soprano recorder. I have the matching one, also a Moeck Rottenburgh in rosewood. They're a little bit different colours actually. I think the treble's a bit, the alto one is a bit brighter and lighter. Anyway, both very pretty recorders. So I think the best thing to do is just transpose it by doing treble fingerings on the descant here, alto fingerings on the soprano if you rather, and then it'll just be in a different key but should retain the same sort of character. Yeah, so I think that sounds very nice on either recorder. What I'm going to do after this video, I'll go onto my Facebook page and I'll put the sheet music onto my Facebook page so that you can have a go at it if you'd like to. And I hope you've enjoyed the tune.